Almost.
These. Me.
Where should we drive to?
At the toy store.
The toy store? That's a good idea.
Yeah, it is.
What are you going to get at the toy store?
Mom.
Oh, wait, I know.
What?
Macaroni and cheese.
Mom, there's no mac and cheese in the toy store.
Are you sure?
No.
All right. I know what I'm going to get. Apples.
We just have. There's no apples in the toy store.
Are you sure?
Oh.
I know what I'm going to get.
Wait.
I know what I'm going to get.
Mom, you need to drive.
I need to drive. I know what I'm going to get. What should I get? I'm going to get a basketball at the toy store.
There's no basketballs in the toy store.
Are you sure?
No. There's a Thomas. I have a Thomas puzzle.
A Thomas puzzle?
Yeah, but I didn't find it.
Oh. You mean the last Thomas puzzle you got when you went to the store the last time? The toy store?
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, you haven't even opened it yet. It's still sitting right there.
What?
Out there on the freezer.
Yeah. Mom,
What?
can you give me some ice water too?
Some ice water?
Yeah.
You guys stop that, please.
Mom, I don't think.
No. Yeah, you're not supposed to play with that.
Mom.
Take your hands off of it, please. Thank you. Are you having fun? Oh, it's going to make it hotter in here.
What do you need?